These fab tables make awesome workstations too. This is my tapping arm workstation. I got this, I think it was like a birthday present to myself because I was doing a lot of hold tapping for the press break. I got tired of it. So I bought this, I guess it was a few years ago already. And I built this little workstation out over time. I added these drill press vices to hold flat stock. I put soft jaws in them. I made these out of a piece of aluminum, and that just helps to hold flat stock really quickly once it's clamped up and gives me clearance for the tapping to go below there. I made these 3D printed holders. They've got magnets in them so that they really stick down to the table for the chucks. And it's got a swivel vise on the corner just to get outside of the workstation if you need to, or to quickly clamp something up that's maybe a little bit chunkier than can fit in the drill press vices. But it does swing back in so that it can stay part of the workstation footprint when it's not in use. And this thing has been incredible, especially when I was prototyping some parts. I was cutting them out with a plasma cutter, and when you cut holes with a plasma cutter, they tend to not be perfect when they're small like this in 1/4 inch material. You're not really supposed to plasma cut a hole smaller than the thickness of the material, and even then they won't be accurate, and they get kind of heat treated by the plasma cutter, so tapping them becomes a problem. So basically all that to say, I would just cut the profile, and then I would use this is a 3D print that matches it, and that just goes on the profile itself. Whoop, just like that. And then we'd either use this spring-loaded one to press a point there, or I would use this set with a hammer, and then I could mark all my holes, take it to the drill press, and drill it out to make these base plates. This base plate is for the Ready Rack system, so not all Ready Rack is the same, which is why this kind of mismatches, but that gives you an idea of where that goes. And this is it in practice on the base of this rolling workbench. So yeah, when I was first building that stuff and kind of experimenting, this station was extremely useful, and I've used it a lot since. So I just thought I'd share.